Hello, Automation Guild. This is Angie Jones. Today I want to talk about behavior-driven development, the artifacts that result from that, and how to utilize those for great test automation strategies. Let's jump right in.
So behavior-driven development is also known as BDD, and it's an example-based methodology for developing software. The key to BDD is the collaborative exercises between the business, development, and testers. These parties are collectively known as the Three Amigos. When beginning the work for a new feature, the Three Amigos, they get together and they write examples of how this feature will be used. And by discussing these examples, all parties come to a shared understanding of how the feature should behave in various scenarios. Let's take a peek into one of these meetings.